Don't give up on me now. Move. Move! Give in. You're almost there. Just move!
I didn't know what had happened to my sire or where he was, but I decided to check in with him anyway. Even if I was just talking to myself.
Fabian, my boy. It's been a while.
I figured it out. Should have been obvious. You went to see Lou. We never saw you again.
This isn't the first time you figured it out, though, is it?
No. Lou, Campbell, they keep cutting out my memories. I'm surprised I have anything left. I won't let Campbell get away with this. I want to get a confession. I want to go to the Justicars. But Campbell and Lou will just wipe it from my noggin.
Oh, I see. Well, then you need a way to store it outside of your noggin.
Get the Justicars to listen in while I grill Campbell? Wait, there's something in that. I can see what I'm thinking.
Yes, Campbell is old, and he hasn't kept up with the modern world. Neither have I, being dead and gone.
Yeah, but I have, and I know that recording devices exist. Even if Campbell wiped my mind, I'd still have a way to remember. And I could take it to the Justicars.
Excellent idea, my boy. All you need is to get hold of one of these devices. You know someone who has them, don't you?
Sophia.
Sophia. Poetic, don't you think?
Okay, that's it then. Get a recorder, go see Campbell, get him to confess. Again. Mail it to the nearest Justicar. If only I could figure out their mailing address.
That problem is for the future, my boy. For now, you have a plan. Go get your evidence, detective.
Okay, get a recorder from Sophia, go see Campbell. How could this go wrong? I didn't really know anything about the Justicars. I'd heard they sorted out problems for the Camarilla. I mean, every society's gotta have someone you can appeal to if you really need it. Some sort of justice, right? This place could do with some music. I had to go see Sophia and borrow a recorder. She must have been off dueling with Mrs. Thorne. I knew she wouldn't mind if I took one of her recorders, especially if she knew why. I figured I should check in with the recorder before I took it. Make sure I wasn't going to erase anything important. Hey there, Big Ears. Have I got a task for you?
You have? Oh, boy.
Got anything I should hear about right now?
I don't know, boss. Got some chatter about a van, a shipment, and... a cuss word.
Tell me about the van.
Here you go.
A correct integration of the inverted glyph of Than alongside the existing Gallus inversion successfully lowers defenses, so long as the weighting is correct and that the Vedu is not overwritten. I think we have it. I think we are ready.
That is not about a van, little buddy. Sounds like Tremere speak to me. What was that about a shipment?
I've got it here for you.
Once the receptive stage is initiated, we must move quickly. To do, organize transport, get Tamara and Vance on the shipment.
Road trip, maybe?
Huh. That receptive stage deal sounds like a breeding program. Perhaps she's trying to save the giant panda. A cuss word? From Sophia?
I saved it up special. Here.
To do, discuss with Y. Chain down if necessary. God damn her.
Yeah, you see? Sophia never really learned to cuss, did she? Well, okay, little fella. Now you are gonna come along with me. I got a guy I want you to listen to real hard.
Of course, Detective. I always wanted to be in police work.
Yeah, this is standard procedure police work for sure. And we are absolutely not gonna get in trouble with any Justicars. Let's go.
Okay, now I just had to face Campbell and get a confession out of him. Easy, right? This was a stupid idea, right? Yep, but I had to try.
I need to see the chief right away.
What is it this time?
Santiago, I've cracked the case like a breakfast egg.
Fabian, this is not City Hall. I'm not Prince Campbell's secretary. Try again. What do you want?
I want Campbell.
He's not here. He has people to see, appointments to keep. And before you ask, I don't keep a diary for him. Was there anything else?
Of course. Campbell kept his own diary. Can I check out his office?
No.
Oh, look, I won't be more than a minute.
Not happening.
What was making her so prickly today?
I'll leave you to it.
Sure.
I wanted a look-see at the boss's throne room to squirrel out his diary. Oh, that would have just brought me trouble. I thought I was on the right lines already. What are you hiding? That won't help me. What secrets are we keeping, Fucking Lou again. But I've got to keep her sweet. Well, so that's what's got Ryong fired up.
Miss Choi. You have a problem with Lou.
If I did, it wouldn't be your business. She must be kept happy, and that's my problem.
Want to tell me more about Lou?
Stop it, Fabian. You know her. You know we need to maintain a good relationship.
If I could make her think Lou was giving her an order, maybe. But she'd never listen to me.
Please, can I check out his office?
Absolutely not.
She was clearly busy with something. What was up with her? Could I use it?
I'll get back to investigating.
I reckon Campbell might have some dirty laundry in that office. Or at least an appointment book.
Oh, hey. Didn't expect to see you tonight. Something up?
I need access to the prince's office.
I don't. Oh. Where have I heard that before recently? I don't care if you're on a case, Fabian. Get out. And stay out.
Sorry.
Crash and burn. What would she respond to?
Yes. Oh, hey. Didn't expect to see you tonight. Something up?
The prince wants to see you. Now?
I don't even know where he... Wait. You never talk like... You utter idiot. Do you know what he'd do to you if he found out, Fabian?
I'll be somewhere else.
This wasn't working. I needed a different approach.
Well? Oh, hey. Didn't expect to see you tonight. Something up?
Lou is up, and that's a problem.
Shit. What does the old bat want?
Something from Campbell's office.
She wants... Oh, nice try. If you hadn't asked me about it 5 minutes ago. Fabian, so help me. I will nail you to a wall if you come near me again.
Whoopsies. See ya.
Who did she think I was?
Well... Oh, hey.
Lou is up.
Shit.
Complaining about the service. Wants to see the manager.
God damn it. I better get over there. You'll stay here, keep an eye on the place while I'm gone?
Of course.
Thanks, Tolly.
No problem, sweetie.
Oh. Suddenly, I didn't want to hang around for too long. I had to work fast. I didn't want Tolly to turn up and be all sarcastic at me. I also didn't want him to turn up and put a stake through my chest. Oh, what was this? Some sort of code? How had he got hold of this? And, why? Huh. This was just what I expected from Campbell. I wondered how much one of these things cost. Interesting, but it wouldn't help me find the prince. This looked like dates and symbols. I wondered what it might have to say.
Huh. You are a little jumbled, but you do have entries that look like dates and times. That right? This is ciphered?
Indeed, Detective, indeed. Play your cards right and you could win the grand prize. The location of Prince Campbell, here on Catch That Man.
Well, I am a deft hand at decoding. I have Sophia to thank for that.
Wonderful. Are you ready, contestant?
Oh, right. Sure. Glad to be here.
Detective Fabian, can you solve the scribbles of the prince? Let's play!
After son O. Come on, Chief.
Anagrams are no challenge to you, contestant.
Not much better than Mr. Alucard, really, is it?
But look closer. What can this symbol mean? The door of a bank vault, perhaps?
Sure, he means Willem, right? In some ways, our prince is clever. In other ways, not so much. Huh, but this date was a few days ago. No use to me.
Bzz. A correct answer, but yes, this is a booby prize. Sorry about that, Detective. Better luck next time.
Mr. A. Fortunes, really?
Well spotted, contestant. Our illustrious prince is no wordsmith, but there is one small complication. What is the meaning behind this symbol right here?
Symbol? More of a doodle. Drawing of a rainbow. Aha! Tolly! He's seeing Tolly. And looking at the date. Tonight's the night.
You've won a prize, Detective. A visit to a sarcastic Nosferatu!
A six-pointed star. Well, that's not hard. And the entry is dated tonight.
So what's your guess, contestant?
Our respected sheriff, Benny Muldoon.
Bingo, Detective! You've won a prize. A ticket to potential physical harm.
Catwalk. That's gotta be Isabella.
Excellent work, contestant. Now, let's see what prize you've won.
God damn it, it's dated last Tuesday.
Bzz. Booby prize, Detective. No snickering at the back, please.
Merge those two glyphs, and I think you've got the symbol of the Anarchs.
Astounding pictography, Detective. And what does that mean to you?
Katsumi. Campbell's going to see Katsumi.
With the date of this very night. Congratulations! You've won the prize of being aggravating to a certified surgeon who owns her own scalpels. Bing bong! Ho ho ho, and that's the end of the round. Congratulations, contestant. You've deciphered the scribbles of the prince and won our grand prize. to go out into the snow and search for a prince so you can screw him over. You have your leads. Good luck in the next round of Catch That Man!
Thank you. I really am looking forward to it.
Tolly was one of Prince Campbell's appointments. I knew he'd be hanging around the park at this time of night, so I paid him a visit. Tolly was one... I just had to hope that Tolly hadn't talked to Ryong for at least the last half hour.
Detective, I hear buying stock in Rebar is a solid bet right now. Want to invest?
Oh, ha ha ha. This is a yarn ball of a case, but I'm untangling it.
And you always get your man by the balls, don't you?
I haven't got time for this. I just had some questions.
Grill away then.
Have you seen Prince Campbell? He was supposed to meet you today.
Ooh, you have been detecting. Yes, I met with the prince. He was in a chipper mood, looking forward to the Christmas party. You gonna write that down?
What did he talk about?
How the Thunderbirds did last game, his plans for a vacation, and the unseasonal weather.
Okay. Where is he now?
Maybe buying Yuletide gifts for all the orphaned little kiddies?
Come on.
Oh, he puts budget aside for it. It's good PR. But since you ask so nicely, no, I don't know where he is. He has a private life, you know.
That's never stopped you poking around before.
Pot kettle.
And why aren't you interested in the killer? He's a threat to kindred and mortals alike.
Is he a detective? I'll take your word for it. I haven't seen any kindred deaths. Besides, I put my faith in the SPD. The gallant Captain Muldoon has his finest bloodhound on the case.
Doesn't sound so good when you say it. Well, I must be getting on.
You must. Oh, and Fabian, the thing about a killer is, they kill people. Try not to be a victim, won't you?
I'll do my best.
It's gonna take me a bit.
Well, that wasn't helpful. Still Benny and Katsumi to see. Prince Campbell had a date with Benny. I wondered if I could be a third wheel, or if I'd be too late. I wondered what Benny and Campbell had been discussing. I hoped it wasn't my contract renewal.
Fabian, you got something for me?
Not so much, boss. Only questions. Did you see the prince today?
Maybe.
He had an appointment with you, right?
Yeah, we talked. What about it?
Do you know where he is?
Nope. It's his city. He goes where he wants. He doesn't keep me in a loop like that.
I thought for security...
Our prince can beat down anything this city throws at him, on his own.
Including Lou Graham?
Now that'd be a match. I'd pay to be ringside for that one.
What did you talk about, if I might ask?
Come on, Gumball. You know better than that.
Yeah, I guess I do.
Tell you what, though, you keep your ears open. Whisper is there's an arms deal going down tonight. If it turns into anything, I need to know.
Sure thing, boss. Why are you never at the PD, boss? You're a captain, so you should be, right?
Special investigations. Dealing with difficult cases. Like why it is some detectives ask damn fool questions.
It's just Hector spent a lot of time there. I was wondering if...
Is that a damn fool question on your lips? Something I need to deal with?
Got it. I got people to see, cases to solve.
Okay.
I really did miss Hector. If only because he used more than 2 syllables and turned up to work some days. I had to put my faith in Katsumi. So what was our prince doing meeting Katsumi? I headed to the hole in the wall to find out. Campbell meeting with Katsumi. That was interesting.
Fabian, guessing you want something?
I'm looking for Prince Campbell. He had an appointment with you, which, now I say it, does sound kind of strange.
I see. And if I knew where he was?
I hope you'd tell me.
But I won't, detective. Because we're not friends. And I'm not stupid. If I knew where Campbell was and I told you, I'd be betraying a prince's confidence. I may not like the guy, but it's useful to stay off his shit list. Though I do enjoy it when he has a bad night. And in my experience, detective, you are the herald of a bad night. So, let's talk about a deal.
Okay. What's the deal?
You know we have some dealings with the alchemy trade.
Yeah, I heard that somewhere. Lotions and potions. It's a lucrative market.
It's one of the few things I have over Campbell. But one of our suppliers has gone quiet. And I don't want Campbell getting his formula. I want you to find it. I hear you have a connection.
Really? Who's the supplier?
Dale.
Oh, yeah, he has gone quiet. That's the truth.
Find Dale's set of recipes. Bring them back. We have a deal, hun. Assuming, of course, that I know where Campbell is.
Assumptions always make an ass of me, but I keep making them anyway. I'll see you later.
Off to Dale's place to see what I could dig up. This case kept leading me back to Dale's place. Time to hunt for Dale's cookbook, or cook file, or cook notes. I don't know, whatever he used. Katsumi wouldn't be interested in this. Interesting, but no. Ha! I knew Dale wasn't a religious man. This particular Bible was packed with recipes for little miracles that Katsumi would be very interested in. Katsumi was the kind of lick to keep her word. I hoped.
You've forgotten about China. Well, you forgot to add in some stuff. Jesus, it's cold tonight.
I'm so bored.
Well, got the recipes home?
Yeah, took a positively biblical amount of effort.
Uh-huh. Okay. It's pretty simple. Some of our guys liberated a weapons shipment from a pack of ghouls. Guess that moved into the import-export business. They had a short, sharp discussion, and our boys ended up with the goods. We're not stupid, though. This stuff is heavy duty. I don't want to be caught with contraband by our glorious leader. So I told him where it was. Made it his problem. Means Campbell owes us now, which is always useful.
Okay. And he's there now? She gave me the name of a place. It sounded familiar, but I couldn't put my finger on it. Thanks.
Sure thing.
Guess I wasn't the only one wanting to spend quality time with Campbell.
What are you doing here?
I might ask you the same.
I'm doing my job, and you're in the wrong place at the wrong time. Just go be somewhere else, all right? The prince asked for my help, and you're in the way.
Is the prince inside the warehouse?
That's none of your business.
He is, isn't he?
Oh, come on.
For a mistress of shadows, she wasn't great at concealing the truth.
I just want to talk to him.
He doesn't want to talk to you. Beat it before I beat you.
Whoa, no need for violence.
You're creating the need, Fabian.
She knew her part and knew her post. That was clear.
I'll only be a moment. I just want a quick word.
Go and bug someone else, runt.
I'll be back.
Ugh.
Yeah, I wasn't going to do that. I didn't think that was worth the effort.
Memory is...
What are you doing here?
I'm being a detective. Going to places, talking to people. How about you?
Shouldn't you be back at the church, keeping the lights on?
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Make sure no one's trashed the place.
Are you all right, Miss Honda?
I'm goddamn peachy. I gotta go. Things to do.
All right, then. Good night.
Okay, I had a recorder, and in the next building was a killer. All I needed was a confession. It was time to face the music, or at least try to catch it in a listening box. The recorder was running. I'd only get one chance at this.
Detective, this is a happy coincidence.
Really?
I was just thinking about you, and that doesn't happen often.
Actually, Chief, I was thinking about you, too. I've been looking for you, in fact.
Well, you found me. What's on your mind?
You and Lou Graham destroyed a Prince of the Camarilla, and everyone else in your way.
That was quick. It was only days ago we had this discussion.
I'm a fast worker, and your plot was easy to dig into.
Really? This might finally be the day, Detective, where your utility is outstripped by the magnitude of my vexation. Right now, though, I have a use for you. Oh, but first, you will break that recorder.
I guess I'll break that recorder.
Those things make a little whirring sound if you pay close attention. There's something I want you to do before I throw you on the trash heap, and you will not leave.
I will not leave.
Good. See that box? The Anarchs thought it was an arms shipment, a thaumaturgical weapon, and I know they're right. But curiosity kills the prince who opens a box without checking what's inside. You're good with the inanimate, with provenance, with ferreting out their purpose. So, you will study it and tell me whether the box is safe to open. Won't you?
I will.
Well, hello there, box. Having a good night? Detective, what would you have from me? I just wanted to get to know you a little. Oh, and for the record, only you and I can hear this little chat, so no need to keep your voice down. They say you're a super weapon, that right? No, I am a box. Okay, I get that, but the thing inside you. You can sense it, can you not? It reeks of suppressed energy and the potential for a great deal of destruction. In fact, it makes you shiver. Nito, where are you from? There is a stench of bleach and gore around me. A slaughterhouse, perhaps, or a medical facility. Huh. You an experiment? Like a Frankenstein's monster sort of deal? I am not. However, I contain one. Wow, that is interesting. Where are you from originally? It is hard to say. From my manufacture and the stretching around my edges, I look like I may be a shipping container. There is a very faint scent of brine and oil. A ship's hold would not be unlikely. That suggests I am cargo and arrived by sea some time ago. Well then, welcome to Seattle. So you've got a dangerous monster inside you? That is accurate. Can I speak to them? They slumber, Detective. Can you wake them up? No, Detective. Only blood can wake them.
Oh boy.
What is it, Detective? You found something?
It's some sort of sleeping creature.
But is it safe to open? You must tell me!
Yeah, I must tell you. I know. Give me a minute. I need to go deeper.
Hey, monster. I know you're asleep, and I know I'm making up your side of this chit-chat. But would you just let old Fabian know a bit more about you?
I dream.
Do you now? Are you Count Dracula? And would you be shocked to know they wrote a book about you?
Count Dracula is a myth.
Oh. Well, then I know. You're Louis. Or maybe what's her name? The girl with the, cat suit?
I am very real, Fabian.
You are, aren't you? Scarily real. I can sense a whiff of blood sorcery, I think. What gives?
I am bound with powerful, thaumaturgical rituals.
Why?
I cannot tell. They are beyond your understanding.
Yeah, I never was good at sorcery. You realize Campbell's gonna off me no matter what happens here.
I know nothing of this, Campbell.
Sorry, that was rhetorical. After all, I am imagining this whole thing. It's funny the voice I gave you, really. Anyway, yes, Fabian. I know Campbell's going to take me apart for scrap. Who are you?
A powerful kindred in torpor against my will. An elder of my kind.
A sleeping giant for sure. I can feel it. Smoldering embers. Given a little fuel, you'll be a raging fire. What would happen if I open this box?
Nothing. I am in torpor. I am incapable of movement.
Safe, you might say then. Good to know. What would happen if I woke you up?
I am in torpor, Fabian. You would need to wake me with blood. But then I must have sustenance. I must drink. And deeply. I would be the beast incarnate. And none here would survive my hunger or my rage.
I get that.
Hurry it up, Fabian.
Hurrying, boss. Nearly there.
Just to check. If I wake you up, you go off like a claymore mine, and none of us in this room will survive, right?
None of you will survive. I am beyond any power in Seattle.
Definitely a weapons shipment.
I've cracked the case, Chief.
Is it safe to open? You will tell me!
Yeah, it's safe to open. You'll want to take a look at this.
Then open it!
Your wish is my command.
What? Who is this? Explain, did you learn anything?
I did, Prince Campbell. There's something you should know. This is for Gideon. And for me.
I command you to...
I'm sorry. I have no suspect in the Rebar killings. The case is shelved. There's nothing else to do. No clues to follow.
Stop repeating yourself, Fabian. You failed. You couldn't solve it. The one thing I asked you to do.
I promised him I'd take care of you.
You promised me you'd find out what happened. So much for your promises.
What are you going to do now?
Somewhere there are answers. Beyond your means. I'm going to find them.
I can try to find his body.
What would I do with his bones? And where would you look?
There's still a chance. Maybe he escaped.
If he still existed, he would find me. He would come to me.
I guess I should say goodbye. I have work to do.
I am leaving the city.
You'll be back.
Oh yes. Someday I will come back to Seattle.
Goodbye, Sophia.
Goodbye, Fabian. I wish you were as good a detective as you think you are.
Fabian? Is that you?
Well, then who else would it be?
It is good to see you. Finally. I was burning.
If I were a betting man, I'd have put odds on you surviving. And I am a betting man. So I did. Escaping the Sabbat by running into sunlight. It's a heck of an addition to the tales of the Nomad, right? You're okay. Which is more than I can say for some. I feel bad for Sophia. Back then, she was a sweet thing. Nutty as a peanut butter cup, but I'm not one to judge on that. I can see why she and Gideon got on.
She had choices. Vengeance, perhaps. But it did not need to go this far. She tried to use the Black Hand, and it has hollowed her out entire.
We've all got choices, Nomad. Guess we solved most of our cases, didn't we?
You were right about Lou. You were right about Campbell.
You were coveted by the one who marked you. And we know how I got into your noggin.
The mark was made as a door for Gideon. It opened for you instead.
Guess it was labeled special. Malkavians only, no soliciting. I guess I did right by my sire in the end. Even if he turned into some sort of fruit basket. I mean, folks of my blood are all fruit baskets, but he took it to a literal level. Or do I mean symbolic? Glad you didn't eat him either way. I can't get over the feeling I've been strung along too. Campbell and Lou faked those killings back a century. No doubt there. But who killed Dale and that vampire wannabe? Who was the rebar killer in this century?
Do you have a theory?
Maybe it was Sophia. A way to lead me to Campbell. Poetic justice in the medium of iron and concrete. Bit of help from Benny and Isabella, props, lights, and a few disposable bodies. I can see that. Anyway, I wanted to ask. Was I...
Were you what?
Was I the right partner to you? And to Seattle? To Sophia? To whoever I needed to be there to help?
You have helped guide me, for what it is worth.
Thank you, Fire. I'm glad I had the chance. Pardon my rambling. I know it really ain't the time for it, but with Sophia and her master plan...
Sophia, the tower, the sun. Where are we? Sophia, the city, the creatures from the underground. Is it too late to stop her?
Hey, you didn't sleep in. You'll be just on time. But me, well, I've always liked to sleep late. See, I'm tired. Fire. Been working extra hard. Putting up a parasol against the sun. Reckon I've got some wings to grab and... well, I'm gonna start with 40 and change. It's time to say goodbye.
Is there no way to save you?
No. but that's okay. I've already cheated the Reaper twice. Third time pays for all. And it's been a good, long ride.
Is there anything you would have me do for you?
Well, I'll need someone to feed Joey.
You have a pet?
Don't worry about it. I'm sure he'll be fine. Just save my city, Nomad. Whatever else happens.
Why do I survive when you do not?
You made it to the dark, but you're in torpor fire. Burned to a crisp. Took a lot of me to keep you moving, and there wasn't much of me to start with. The Fabian gas tank, once half full, is empty now. But if you mean why did I do it? Because I like your style, you old fossil. It's way too early to end your story. Seattle deserves better than what our poor lovesick science gal is gonna let loose.
I do not want to say it, Fabian.
Well, it's okay to feel like that. And what's happening to me is okay too. Sometimes, it's just the way it goes.
Goodbye, Fabian.
Huh. Hey, Fire. New case. What happens next?
Any theories, Detective?
Oh, I do have a notion.
Fabian?